Single crochet 3 together through the back loop only is worked the same way as a regular single crochet 3 together, except we're only going to work in the back loop of the stitches. So see how we have that V, that's the top of the stitch. Normally we insert a hook into both loops, but we're going to insert a hook only in the back loop this time. So insert your hook in the back loop only of the next stitch and pull up a loop. Insert your hook in the next stitch through the back loop only and pull up a loop, and then insert your hook in the next stitch through the back loop only and pull up a loop. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on your hook. That's a single crochet 3 together through the back loop only. Let's do it again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.